well, is encounter a solution
Yes.
to the atrocities on women? Well, the demand for encounter of the accused or the legitimacy from society for the police encountering, police killing the, allegedly killing the accused in an encounter comes from the ineffective criminal justice system. Why people are supporting such excesses by police? Police are not supposed to kill people. Police
Yes,
do
sir.
not punish.
Yes,
It
sir.
is the court which has to punish.
Yes, sir.
Police will only investigate the case and, bring a case for punishment. Ultimately, it is the court which has to punish.
But
But
sir,
when police itself punishes, it's called a police excesses. But why the society is appreciative of police excesses? For the
sir, this is
Hyderabad
because
encounter or
yes,
earlier
sir.
Varangal
Because
encounter,
court is taking that
well,
much of time.
earlier
Then
Varangal encounter of the acid
yes, sir.
accused in acid attack, it is essentially because the criminal justice system is failing us. In the Nirbhaya case, we have seen the process takes years together. Justice delayed is justice denied.
Yes,
This
sir.
is what the wisdom of law says.
Yes,
But
sir.
the wisdom of law also says justice hurried is justice buried also. So therefore, I don't find fault with the society that demands encounter, that demands faster retributive justice. See see the anomaly, see the double standards in society. On one hand, we are opposing Taliban. Taliban, when it kills people in the name of punishments, in the name of retributive justice. But in our own country, we are demanding police encounter of the accused. I don't find fault with the society for this. I find fault with the criminal justice system. Very delayed investigation.
Yes, sir.
Ultimately, it takes years together. So there will not, people have to have a long wait for justice. So therefore, there is a legitimacy for this demand. But the problem here is, my simple question, assuming that if someone was wrongly implicated in a case, well, if it is a real accused, forget about whether it is legal or illegal, whether it is constitutional, unconstitutional, ethical or unethical, whether accused in a gruesome murder and rape of a minor deserves to be killed. I do accept. But the point is, assuming that a fellow was wrongly implicated and killed in an encounter, after 5 years, after 2 years, we get a fresh evidence to indicate that the person who was killed was not the real culprit. Someone else was the criminal. Can you bring the life back? Is it possible?
Sir.
So that is the major question. And another important thing is the victim of the rape incident suffered a very deep, serious physical injury, mental trauma before the death, or if she is still surviving, she undergoes an unbelievable trauma. But the accused will simply get the relief through a bullet. Should accused be given such liberation? Why should not that accused suffer for 20 years, 30 years in a prison undergoing rigorous imprisonment and feeling for the crime he has committed for 20, 30 years? Why should the criminal be allowed a safe, simple, smooth passage from life? This is another question. So it's a very serious question. It's a very big debate on should capital punishment be accepted. We'll have a discussion on some other day. So should police encounters be acceptable? But the point is, the solution for this is having speedier justice, fast track courts, ensuring speedy investigation, ensuring that the victim, that the accused will face the law of the land at the earliest. That is the real solution. And another example is, as the encounter stop such atrocities, we have seen the encounter of the people accused in the Disha case. But what did it happen? Even after the Disha case, accused killed in encounter, even when the investigation still continues on this, we have seen 2-3 incidents in Hyderabad. One fellow committed suicide, fine. But another incident at Mangalhat. Did the incidents of atrocity stop after Nirbhaya incident? So what does it indicate? It only indicates that faster justice and a faster justice, faster trial, faster justice are a real deterrent rather than instant retributive justice like encounters.